So hi, this was not supposed to be a video, but I fucked up. I messed up my own drone and I don't even know whether I'll be able to fix it or not. But we'll see. These are the new wings I bought. So let's see. Yeah, this one is, this is the broken one. So as you can see, this side fell and I actually ordered the good parts, which is kind of cool. I never actually did such an extensive fix, so this thing will be interesting at best, right? But at worst, I'm not quite sure. Okay, now again, there is a latch in here, but I need to first unscrew these 4 screws. So, okay. You know that moment when you like lose your screwdriver? There it is. And then you find it and then you lose it again. Yeah, I do need to place the screws somewhere here. I think they are of the same size, which is, I guess, important. Same on this one. Okay. Oh, come on. This is dumb. There you go. Okay, now let's try to pry open in here. When I put everything somewhere and I don't know where. Oh, for fuck's sake. Okay, let's try to open it with this. I don't know whether you can see it or not. I think you can. Okay. First go this. Okay, there are 2 more screws in here, so I think I should probably unscrew it. Okay, okay, this is one. Again, all the same size. No. These ones, these 2 are a bit smaller, so okay. Maybe try this thing like this. That one is opened, and I need to open this one as well. Will it be easier since one is already opened? Okay, it might be. Okay, kind of cool. And I think that now all I need to do is just jiggle this thing a bit, I think. So the first part is done, I think. Now we need to see which one I need to disassemble. So this one. Okay, let's go with this one first. Okay. So I do need to take a photo of all this, just so that I know which one goes where, you know. Okay, basically it's white, red, white, black, red. Okay, okay, and I did not turn on my soldering iron, so I have to wait. And where is the other one? The one with the antenna. Okay, it's this one. But where does the antenna go? Somewhere down. Okay, well, this thing is heating up. Let's disassemble this thing as well. So this protective sticker is so easy to remove. Okay, let's see whether the antenna is here or not. Okay, this one. Oh, by the way, this one is yeah, I'll just need to glue it a bit, but this one is well gone. Okay, so let's disassemble these 2 wires, these 2 screws. Let's remove them, and I think I'll just have to pull this thing out. Might be wrong though, but we'll see. So do I have to just, yeah, I have to I only need to push this thing out. Okay, and now let's unsolder this thing, which is again white, black, red, but just to be sure I will take a photo. Okay, white, black, red, white, black and red. Okay, and we need to disconnect the antenna, which should be, I guess, easy. I hope so. Okay, we have like, I don't know whether you can see it or not, this is hot glue, I think, and it is a bit, I mean, I can pull it out, but no, this is the part that goes in there. By the way, these cables that arrive with the drone, they're always way longer, not quite sure why. Okay, first of all, let's insert this part. I think it goes like this. And yeah, that's it. Okay, awesome. Now, can I actually put this thing back? I don't need it, I don't want to screw it up, you know. Okay, perfect. Now these are the little black ones that go inside. Now I can actually connect this antenna and we'll see. Okay, antenna is connected. And I can actually close this part because, well, I don't need it anymore, I guess. Because this, I think, yeah, this part goes only in here. So, yeah, okay, let's close this. Okay, and now the bottom part. So white, black and red, and let's cut them like this and let's clean them. So white, black and red, and they go in here, white, black and red. And it's actually, you can see it says W, B and R on the motherboard, so that's kind of cool. I think that this is actually beautifully soldered. Now this part again, and I need to unscrew, actually there are 2 screws, so one in here and one in here, and basically that's it. And then white, black, red, and that should be it. Okay, one in here, one in here. Okay, white, black, red, white, black, red, and again new ones are way thicker. Strange. Oh well, need to pull them somehow. Perfect. Okay. This is kind of cool. Okay, I'll need to cut this in somewhere in here. But first of all, let's screw these. And I will need to see if this thing is actually working. Perfect. White, black, red, right? Okay, and now let's cut these wires. So basically, first one is the white one. Okay. Okay, and I would say this is also done pretty nicely. Okay. Now, well, all I need to do is close this thing and let's see if this thing actually works. And I need to, well, screw in the wings, obviously. Let's install the SD card. I think this should be it. I mean, if you get a video of this thing flying, you'll know it's okay. If you don't, well, it is what it is. Okay, now let's transfer the wings. I should probably sell these motors on eBay because these motors are actually working fine. Okay, and this one, let's see if this thing will lift off. I mean, it does look okay, so, well, is the battery dead? Because if it's not, maybe the battery is dead. We'll see. Okay, yeah, this one is dead. I think that all of them are dead. So let's see what about this one. Yeah, this one is dead. Okay, let's see if it will lift up. So we will need to charge the batteries. So the phone. Okay, let's see. Go fly. I don't want it to. Okay. So yeah, this is actually working fine, which is kind of awesome. But we need to put it down because the battery is dead. But yeah, this thing has been a successful repair. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, please click thumbs up. If you did not, you know what to do. And until the next time, thank you. Cheers.